Varun. I am studying B.TECH in Anil Institute of Technology and Sciences in the field of information technology. So I joined here in June month. So in this institute we have the dedicated faculty and all. I learned from Java full stack in this and learned from Java from the Pawan sir and the Shivprasad sir, and they teach me well in each and every point, and they discuss very more examples so that we can learn more in each and every topic. So I learned web development from the Yashwant sir. He has very much dedicated to his passion so that we can receive more knowledge from him. As I also learned SQL backend from the Sanjay sir. He also tell me practice more. If we practice more, we can learn and we can gain more knowledge in these topics. So that coming to my placement activity, I have cleared more placement activity in the web development and the SQL, so that they have offered me the company placement that I have placed with the help of my faculties. So as a IAM training engineer in the Hyderabad location, so with the package of the 3.37. So thank you, Jspiders, JNTU.